Hello, my name is Iwona. I'm Polish and I came from Warsaw. At Algofi, I'm a consultant. I heard for the first time about Algofi from my colleague in Poland, and then they contacted me through LinkedIn. What I like about Algofi is that they were very helpful since the beginning. Our interview process was very smooth, very nice, very friendly. And after moving here, they helped me with accommodation, with everything what was needed to settle in France. And of course, what is most important, they helped me to integrate with my colleagues through events which they organized almost every month. So this is very important for newcomers like me.